right, so let's start and give you a little background of the inspiration. These are the 3 looks that I've worked with, thank God, with the help of the team backstage. You know, my background is fashion. I love doing fashion. I do Fashion Week in New York, London, Paris, and Milan. I do a lot of editorial for magazines. So for me, when the team at JOICO said, let's open up with something a little bit more inspiring, I was like, absolutely. So I wanted to do something with different techniques within the hair. So let's start with the beautiful girl in the middle, if you want to walk to the front. Okay, let's give her a big hand. She deserves it, right? She's been with us since 5 o'clock in the morning, so it's been amazing. So with this look, I wanted to create like a veil through the front. You know, when you're doing these ideas, sometimes you might think, oh, we got to put it off the face or do this. And you can easily do that. You can do so many different things. And some people ask, why do you leave it forward? Why don't you put it to the side? Why not? I think if you're doing something creative, it's an expression of your emotion. So if you have the, confidence to wear something like a veil, I think it looks really detailed. We've put elastic randomly through the front, and that gives you a bit more of a pop, so that metallic taste throughout the front. Throughout the back, we've worked metallic elastic and worked 2 ponytails with texture that we've just fluffed up. So it moves and almost looks like a horse's mane through the back, so it gives you that element of texture. Do you guys like it? Cool. Let's do the next model. If I can have this lovely girl here. Oh, I like that music. Okay, so with this, we wanted to work with braids. Braids are huge. It's just how you use them, where you incorporate them, and how thick and thin and what products you put on. The key product behind this was the body shake and the beach shake by JOICO. You use it for texture, but you can also use it to braid the hair. Especially the beach shake, it's got beeswax in it, so it allows for that braid to be a lot cleaner. And then with the detail through, we've added blue or purple lavender hair in there just to give it that pop as well and to make it look younger and fresher. Now these little metal bits that I've put in there, give it that editorial edge to it. And these metal bits, if you really want to know what they are, they're cocktail skews. You put in cocktails. So I thought, why don't we add that into the hair? Because I think it's all about accessorizing, and I think it gives you a really nice finish. Don't you think? 2 of you? Thank you. Oh, who's that? You need to sit in the front, girl. All right, lastly, if you want to come down. I did something similar to this at a Behind the Chair show a couple of weeks or months ago. And again, we used the cocktail skews, accessorizes the hair. We worked again with the beach shake through the top. If we got the camera, right, so you can see a lot closer. It's the infinity braid that we did, but really tight on the scalp. So it almost looks like a backbone, or it looks like a lot of different things, but I think it really looks like a bone through the top. And then we've added 30-inch extensions through the back that just makes it look gorgeous, healthy, and shiny. Let's give her a big hand, shall we? Thank you very much.